I am Jay Nageswara, School Assistant in English. Welcome back to my class. In the previous class, we discussed what is meant by active voice and what is meant by passive voice, and when to change a sentence from active voice to passive voice. Now, in today's class, we are going to discuss how to change sentences from active voice to passive voice when V1, V1S or V1ES or V2 verb forms are given in the active voice. Now, let us look at some examples. Here in the first example, children, this is the doer, subject as well as the doer. Let us call it the doer. The subject in the active voice, let us call it doer. Like, it is in which form? V1 form. Children like what? Let us put the question what. It answers, the answer comes from the word games. So children like what? Games. So games is the object here. V1, the verb here is V1 and the object is plural. Look at this B forms table. Verb in active voice. V1, tense of the verb is V1. Object is plural. Object is plural. So what is the B form here? R. Now let us start with the object. Games are. Here V3 of this like is liked by preposition. By whom? By children. So after the preposition, we can write the doer or agent here. So games are liked by children. So like becomes are liked. So that is in the passive form. Now let us go to second sentence. Here my friend is the doer. What does he do? He remembers. This is V1 yes form. He remembers what? My address. So this is the object. So my address is singular. V1s is the verb form. In the B forms table, V1 yes. Object is my address is singular number. So object is singular number is. So my address becomes the subject here. Is. Now what is the V3 of remember? Remembered. By my friend. Let us write like this. So what is the passive form of remembers here? Is remembered. Now let us go to the third sentence. The boy is the subject and the doer as well. Here doesn't waste. He doesn't waste what? His time. His time is the object. Doesn't waste is the verb. In this verb phrase, does is an auxiliary verb and waste is a main verb. So when two verbs are there, that means an auxiliary and a main verb. When two verbs are there, we have to look at the tense of the auxiliary verb only. So do, does, they are in V1 form only. So V1, an object is singular number. V1, object singular number is. So his time refers to whose time? The boy's time. Let us start with the boy's time. So boy's time and his time both refer to the same. So time is singular number and does is V1. V1 singular number is. The boy's time is. Negation is there, not is there. So include not also. The boy's time is not. Waste, wasted, wasted, wasted. So wasted is the V3 of waste. So the boy's time is not wasted. If you want to write by the boy means him only. By him you can write, otherwise you can leave it, no problem. Now, my class is the subject here. My class means it's not the room actually. It refers to the children in that particular class. So the doer. Elected, V2. Elected whom? Me. Elected me how? Leader. So this word leader, it qualifies this object. So if a word qualifies the object, it is known as object complement. This is leader is object complement. So the boy elected whom? Me. Me becomes the subjective case I. Here I have given the cases of pronouns. I is the subjective case, me is the objective case. So if I is given, you have to change it as me, and if me is given in the objective case, you have to change it as I in the subjective case. Vice versa, we have to. So I becomes me here, I singular number, V2 simple past. V2 object singular number was. I was, V3 form of this verb is elected. I was elected by whom is not important here. I was elected what or how? Leader, the complement. That is more important than who elected me. You can write by my class later. I think you understand. I was elected leader. This is more important than who elected me. Next, let us go to the fifth sentence. Corona is the doer here. What did it do? Affected, V2 form. Affected whom? Crores of people. Crores of people becomes the object. So crores of people is plural number, V2. V2 plural number object, verb. So let us start with the object corona. Crores of people. Crores of people. Here V2 plural number, verb. Verb plus V3 of affected is affected only by the proper noun. What is the proper noun doer here? Corona. So we have to write it. So affected becomes were affected. So Amelia, sixth sentence. Amelia doer sent, V2 form, sent. Amelia sent what? A telegram. Telegram is the object. Amelia sent what? A telegram. Amelia sent a telegram to whom? Elizabeth. So this a telegram is one object and Elizabeth is also an object. When two objects are there, the object which refers to a person, an object that refers to something. So an object that refers to something is known as direct object. Let us call it a DO, direct object, because it is a thing. Telegram is a thing. An object that refers to a person or persons is known as indirect object. So let us call it IDO, that means indirect object. So what is the indirect object here? Elizabeth is the indirect object because Elizabeth is a person. Now let us start with the indirect object. Elizabeth, as you know, is a singular number, and sent V2. V2 object singular number was sent. Sent itself is the V3 of sent. So Elizabeth was sent by whom is not important. Elizabeth was sent what? That is more important than by whom she was sent what. So Elizabeth was sent a telegram by whom? Agent is Amelia. You write it here. Next, let us go to the seventh one. His parents named V2. Parents is the doer here. This is in V2 form. His parents named whom? Him. Him is the object. His parents named him what? Ravi. So Ravi is known as the object complement, as we have seen in the fourth example. They elected me. My class elected me leader. So me and leader refer to the same. So me, leader, the word leader qualifies or it adds something to this object. That's why it is an object complement. Here also, my parents named him, his parents named him what? Ravi, or how? Ravi. So now let us start with him. Him is in the objective case. So let us make it as the subject he. Him has become he. He singular number V2. V2 object singular number was. He was named V3. He was named what? That is more important than by whom. So he was named what? Ravi. Now you write by whom. by his parents. Right, like this. Now let us go to the eighth one. We, that is the doer here, expect V1. We expect what? Good news. This is the object. Good news, news. Generally we think that it is a plural because there is yes at the end of it. But naturally, news is only a singular number. It is never used as a plural number. Even though it ends in the letter yes. So, new good news. News when it is singular, V1 singular. V1 object singular is. Good news is expect. Third form is, V3 form is expected by we. The subjective case becomes the objective case. We becomes us. Like this, we can change some V1, V1s and V2 forms into passive form. Friends, now let us go to summary examples. Before going to summary examples, let us know one thing. Do plus V1. If an auxiliary verb is given there, do plus V1 is equal to V1. Does plus V1 is equal to V1 SRES. Did plus V1 is equal to V2. We have to understand like this. For example, here, doesn't waste. Does plus V1. That is equal to V1 yes. It means wastes actually. Did plus go. Went. Like that. Now let us go to one more. Now let us look at two more examples. Here, they is the doer, did not help. This is the verb phrase. Here, did is an auxiliary verb and help is the main verb. They did not help whom? Her. Her is the object. So, when two verbs are there, when an auxiliary verb and main verb, when two verbs are there, we have to look at the tense of the auxiliary verb only, not the main verb. So, do, did, this is in V2 form. So, did V2 object her singular number. V2 object singular number. That means I. She. Okay. It becomes a she here. She singular number and then did V2 was not help. Third form. V3 form is helped. She was not helped by the subjective pronoun, the subjective case of the pronoun they becomes them. So like this we can change. When two verbs are there, we have to look at the tense of the auxiliary verb only. That is the rule. Next one. My uncle. So this is the doer here and presented V2. My uncle doer presented V2. My uncle presented what? A gift. This is the object. Because it answers the question what? My uncle presented a gift to whom? To whom? Me. This is the other object. So this is known as the direct object as we have already seen before. This is known as the indirect object because it refers to a person. Gift refers to something. So this is the direct object. Indirect object is me because it is a person. So me becomes I when it becomes the subject. I singular number presented V2. V2 object singular number was. I was presented. This is the third form. I was presented. By whom is not important as I have already told you. What I was presented, that is more important. I was presented a gift. Let us include the direct object here. By my uncle. Similarly, if you take another example, so I have given another example here. They, the subject, know V1 They know whom? Me, I. Me objective case becomes the subjective case here, I. When I, V1 plus me, that means V1 singular number. When I is the subject, we don't write is, we write am only. That's why V1 object singular, am here. So I am. No, new, known. Known is the V3 form of know. I am known. When know is the verb here, we should not use by. We have to use to. Known to, that is the correct usage. I am known to. They becomes the objective case them. Do remember, when know is the verb, am known to. Known to, that is the thing. Like this, we can change V1. When the verb in the active voice is V1, V1S or V1ES or V2. By using this table, by just remembering the contents in the table, we can change the verb forms into passive forms. Friends, if you like this video,